Brighton Wolf Albion have made one of their best signings so far by signing this Zadok Johanna. Because if you look at this signing, it favors Brighton the more. Why am I saying that? Because by signing this African player, you can see that many of the African fans, the African fan base, will now give them their support. And Brighton Wolf Albion will definitely benefit from it. If you look at when they start to sell this boy jersey, many Nigerians will buy it. Many Africans will buy it. Countries all over Africa must buy that jersey. So, and the support from the African fans now meets the European fans. They've gathered a lot of fans in their footballing community. So Brighton will benefit more of this signing they made.